All right, going to show you a new version of our Skagit. What is the Skagit? Well, Skagit's a inboard or outboard square nose boat. Well, this boat's called the Skagit-X. What's the Skagit-X? This one's 21 foot. It has our 29.5-inch high sides, which is 4.5 inches lower than the normal Skagit. Has a mid windshield and an inboard. That's the main big differences, and we're going to take a look. This boat's designed for those hunters up in the interior of Alaska or Canada that want to put a big load in the front but want the inboard and place to still pack your people. Let's take a look. All right, so you come aboard, got a nice big front deck. We got welded tie downs to the front and rear, place to toss some rope and a cleat up front. A lot of guys on these square nose boats like to maybe lay a couple 2x10s, maybe put a quad up here for hunting. So that's the point of the windshield back further, is just give you more area here to throw stuff in that's accessible easier from the beach versus carrying it through the windshield. So when we do an aft helm like this, we split it up into a 3-piece instead of our normal 2-piece windshield. So you've got the top door, bottom door. Nice thing about this, if we're going to build a cabin, we want to lay some long planks in here, spanning from the engine cover all the way forward. We got a nice big open runway to do that. Coming through, got our helm, comes standard with the Flowtech shifter. We've got the V3 digital gauge, comes with a couple seats. You have the optional 36-inch benches. So these are 3 foot long, and you can still see we have plenty of gracious room for passing back through here. Boat comes standard with a 5.3 DI Chevy. You can have a Hamilton or an American Turbine pump. This one has the American Turbine. Comes standard with a stomp grate on the back, has optional plastic bottom. This one has a 28-inch wide strip of plastic running all the way down underneath. Someone could go full width if they desire. One more aspect of this Dutch door is that the reason why we do that is if this is all full of plunder, coolers, dry bags, something like that, we still have access to get out to the front. We're just now stepping over the door. Of course, we're loaded with gear there. If it's open, you have the ability to walk through or load the long gear like I was mentioning. Sitting at the helm like any normal Wooldridge boat, I feel comfortable with my hand on the throttle and the wheel. My eyes are looking through the middle of this glass versus having to crouch for a shorter windshield that's back in my face. Also, if I go to stand and drive, I'm not bouncing my chin off of here. I can lean and drive comfortably. Again, nice, great access in and out of the front. That's the basics of the Skagit-X. Lower sides, 21 foot, inboard, aft helm, and then all the other options that I talked to you about.